from Slovenia again. Today I will do a kiss pour. So I will use 2 cups and I will kiss them kind of together, or how can I say, but in 1 cup. Oh my god, I have a ton of air bubbles. My pouring medium today is glue pouring medium, 70% of PVA glue and 30% water. So this will be in 1 cup, and in the other one I will work with some blues. This is cyan blue, some pearl white for some effects, hopefully. This is indigo blue. This is Aqua Flash by Folkart, and I have ultramarine blue. I will just go with this. Maybe I will add a little pearl white on top. Okay, so why I decided to go with black? Because I want some negative space, hopefully, and I want this to go to that negative space. Maybe this will not work. This is a little bit strange. Let's rag this a little bit. This is so dark, so strange. Not a fan of this, so I will just grab 2 more colors and I will layer them. No. So I will go with cyan, some pearl white for some cloudy look, some indigo. And I will layer this one the opposite way. right here. Okay, let's see how this will work out, because this is just so dark. I like this more. Okay, so now I have flow extender already, so it's all good. Just want to tilt this middle part from one side to another to create kind of a flow that I like. And I want to stretch this out this way and go back in the middle. Now I will place my canvas a little more to this side because I want to tilt spin a little bit of this off, if I can. Because I like this bottom part, it's like stones or something, and I just want to get rid a little bit of the top part. And I really like this part here, and I don't even know how one color here looks like gold because there is no gold anywhere. And this light coming through here, just love it. So yeah, I will call this one done, leave it to dry. Really interesting where this color came from. I will be able to show you more when I will show you the close-up. So here she is dry, and I will say that I really like the dried results. This glow here is just beautiful, Nera. I'm not so happy with this top part, but this bottom part is just gorgeous. This transparency here with some white and this feathering here. So yeah, I'm happy with the final result. I am. Because this was a glue pouring medium, I'm really not used to that paints are mixed together as much, because when I use my regular pouring medium they don't mix as much, but still it's still a beautiful painting, I think. Yeah, different for me, but still beautiful. So tell me what you think about this kiss pour, and thanks for being here, and see you again on the next one. Bye!